Hey, what we're going to do today is we're going to go over a pause squat. Now, a pause squat can be done at any position. It doesn't have to be in the hole. The reason why people do it in the hole is because we are weakest in the hole. Kinesiologically, there are angles that are not favorable for the muscle pull. So you try to utilize those angles to get stronger. It's almost thinking about the way that bands and chains work on your way up or when you're trying to lighten something up. So what a pause squat is you are going to go into a normal squat, whatever your tempo is going to be, or if you're just sitting at the bottom or wherever the place is that you're going to be sitting, right? So if I want to do a pause squat at like 45 degrees, let's just say I have trouble coming out of creating speed and velocity out of the hole. And this is where I'm jumping, but I have, whether I see mechanically, if I'm in this position and I start to go, one knee drops in, or if I start to go one knee turns, or if I rotate, it all will dictate where I'm pushing and what I'm utilizing. So if you want to try to build that position, what you're going to do is you're going to come to that position, hold 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3, and then out of your position. It doesn't have to be 3 seconds. It could be 5 seconds. It could be 8 seconds. It could be 2 seconds. The longer you sit in an isometric position, when you come out of it, if you're not used to it, you will get a little lightheaded and dizzy. You also may feel a little difficulty breathing. With isometric contractions, there is an increase in muscle activity, which closes down on capillary. That capillary can now not feed the muscle, so you almost starve the muscle a little bit. Almost like occlusion therapy. Takes a little bit to get used to, so don't be frustrated if you're doing 3 reps and you're like, whew, I'm exhausted. Yeah, it just takes a little bit longer. Your blood pressure goes up, your heart rate will start to increase to try to level out that blood pressure, and that's kind of what you're dealing with. There are other processes going on. That's not the only one. But that's a pause squat in a nutshell. Happy training.